Can you soundproof interior walls that have electrical outlets? Have you ever wondered if it is possible to soundproof interior walls that contain electrical outlets? You might think those outlets make it impossible, but there are ways to tackle this challenge. Let's break it down step by step. First, it is important to understand that electrical outlets can create weak points in your wall's sound barrier. They interrupt the continuous mass and airtightness that are essential for effective soundproofing. So, how do we fix that? Start by minimizing the number and size of holes in your wall. This means being careful about how many outlets you install and where. Next, use acoustic sealant around the edges of the electrical boxes. This will help create an airtight seal, blocking sound from sneaking through any gaps. Another handy tip is to install foam gaskets behind the outlet and switch plates. These thin foam pads fit snugly behind the cover plates and help reduce sound transmission. They are simple to install and make a noticeable difference. Now, let's talk about what's inside the wall. Filling the wall cavity with dense insulation, such as mineral wool, is a great way to absorb sound vibrations. This type of insulation works wonders in reducing noise traveling through the wall studs. For even better results, consider using resilient channels. These are metal strips that you install between the wall studs and the drywall. They help decouple the drywall from the framing, breaking the path of vibration and blocking sound transmission, even in areas with electrical outlets. If you are in the process of building or renovating, there is an advanced method you might want to consider. You can create a room within a room. This involves constructing a separate inner wall frame that does not touch the existing wall, leaving an air gap. This technique isolates the interior wall from structural vibrations. However, you will need to plan carefully for the electrical wiring and outlets to maintain that sound isolation. When mounting electrical boxes on the inner wall frame, be sure to use acoustic sealant around any penetrations. This will help keep the sound barrier intact. To sum it all up, soundproofing walls with electrical outlets is definitely achievable. Focus on sealing gaps with acoustic caulk and foam gaskets, using dense insulation, and employing mechanical decoupling methods like resilient channels. By addressing these areas, you can significantly reduce sound transmission in your interior spaces, whether you are working on a basement, attic, or any other area in your home.